Okay, so you guys see that? That right there is the speed limit exceeded notification. So you can see there, speed limit exceeded. I'm gonna show you guys how to remove it, fast and simple. I couldn't find any videos helping me out on this one, so this is for a 2007 328i. Not 100% sure which engine it has, but here we go. So we're gonna go over to navigation. I think it's lipstick. You're gonna go over, it's gonna say navigation. You get all these options. Go to car data, and there it is. Select it and start scrolling up. I say 90 to 95 is a good limit there. Oh, I got excited. Let's do 95 and you're good to go. All right.